often should you clean bird feeders?
Every, like, week or so.
And we are going to also be cleaning our ice chest, right? And what are we going to use? What is this? Bleach. Yes. Now what should you do when you're working with bleach? Yes. And yes. Why do we use bleach for cleaning it? So they don't get infections and it just keeps it clean, right? Especially when we have little friends that want to come visit the bird feeder that are not birds, right?
I believe the first bird we saw that came to
We're gonna dump some bleach in, dump some more bleach
I'm
in.
pretty sure it's the Carolina chicken.
I think you're right. Carolina chickadees are the friendly little birds. Here, if you dump it, just fill that up with water and we're gonna let it sit overnight, okay? And it's almost time for us to buy a new bird feeder, right? Yeah, it's about that time. What kind of bird do you think we should learn about next on Feathered Facts? Okay. I think that's enough, buddy, don't you? And we'll just let it sit overnight, and this will clean the ice chest, and it's gonna clean your bird feeder at the same time. So, all right, guys, we'll have more content coming up soon with full episodes. This is just a little short on keeping your birds in your yard healthy.
We're sorry we haven't made posting in a while. We've just had a lot going on that we needed to do.
Yes, we're moving, right?
Yeah.
And we keep getting the date pushed and pushed.
Next time we film is probably going to be in our new house. So we'll be expecting new areas of filming.
New view.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Fast Falcon.